All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can accumulate $500 using the Robinhood app. So let's get into the app. All right, so in order for you to make this money so that you can reinvest it into stocks that's going to make you money is by simply getting people to sign up through your link. If you click my link in the description section of this video, you would get a free stock and I would get a free stock. And that's simply what you do, you know. And then when you accumulate these stocks, when you accumulate the free stocks, which would be Groupon, GRPN, FIT, FIT, ZNGA, SRIR, SIRI. When you accumulate them, what you do next is you wait for 3 days, because you can't sell them right then and there. You have to wait 3 days in order for you to sell it. So you wait the 3 days, then you sell them. Let's say you got 5 in 1 day. So that when the 3 days pass, you sell them, and then you just let it. You can let it sit and until you accumulate the entire $500, or you can just let it sit until you make enough to reinvest it into something else that you want to purchase, something else that's going to make you money, like Bank of America. Bank of America pays a dividend, and their dividend is 2.19%. And I have 1 share in that, but I purchased that with my own money, and that was pretty much the only thing I invested. The only thing I paid for was Bank of America, and I paid for Bank of America. I paid for Vorit. I think that's how you say it. They pay a dividend of 7.69%. I got 1 share of that, and it was only $8.68. And then I did, which one was it? Right here, PSEC, Prospect Capital. I invested into that. I purchased 3 shares of that, and they pay a dividend of 11.43%. So you just accumulate all of the free stocks. Like I have the free stocks that I have is Groupon, FIT, 4 shares of the ZNGA, SIRI, and that's it. So let's see. When I go to sell, I'm going to sell 4 shares of ZNGA. So that's going to be 4 times $6.15. And that's what my profit is going to be. 4 times $6.15. So far I've accumulated about $60 in stocks, and when I sell it, it's going to be $60. All right, so let me go to my account and show you for real, you know, let me let you see what I invested. So I'm going to go to my history, and you can see the pending deposit of $31. That's what I invested. And the other deposit for $25. And that's what I invested. Everything else, absolutely free. Bank of America, you see the $28, that was for Bank of America. That's what I invested. And everything else you see is from Robinhood. I had a free stock for Fit and I sold that. I had a free stock for Groupon and I sold that. And the rest I still have. I'm just waiting for the 3 days to pass so that I can sell. Once the 3 day pass, I'm going to sell and then reinvest that money into the stocks that's going to make me money. And that's it. That's how you do it. Send your links out to friends and family members. Ask them to sign up, even if they don't want to invest in stocks. Just, express to them how important it is to you, and so you can get that free share. I've even I share my link in Facebook groups. I've gotten shares like that, and friends and family. And you just keep doing it until you accumulate it. You see, I've gotten, and I started this like maybe 3-4 days ago. I started this. So, I mean, it takes time. It's not no get rich overnight ordeal. It takes time, but once you get there, you're all set to go. So I hope that this video helps you in your investing journey. And if you're not signed up, be sure to click my link in the description section below this video. You'll get a free stock and I'll get a free stock. And catch you in my next video.